up? We're out here at Utah Motorsport Campus, round 4, NASA, Utah. We're going to be running the West configuration this weekend, so it should be a good one. Temperatures are going to be hot, so we're going to be testing some of these new modifications and see how they do. So what do we have? Well, the obvious thing is the carbon fiber hood. Now this thing's got a huge vent right in the middle that's really going to help. Or it should. We'll see. Other things we've done, we switched out the brake fluid. We went from the Motul 600 over to the RF, Endless RF 650. I read a lot of good things about it, so I'm very excited to try that and see how it does this weekend. The other thing we've got, which I need to get in the car tonight, is the Garmin Catalyst. So we're going to start recording some data points. We're going to start to optimize our lines around this track and see if we can get a new personal best with the assistance of that. So more to come. We'll see you on the track. So there was our hot lap from day one, Friday practice day. Unfortunately, it was about 4.5 seconds off of my personal best, but there were some factors I think that were working against me compared to last month when I set that personal best record. First of all, the ambient temperatures were extremely high, 30 degrees higher than they were last month. On average, I think it was 95 to 96 pretty much all day. And then we also had severe and extreme wind gust. Driving into that wind or perpendicular to it and getting blown around, I was having to counter steer into it. Some of those gusts would hit me and it felt like I was getting punched in the side of the head. So not the best day for me, but I did collect a lot of data points. I was trying out various lines throughout the track, particularly in some of the corners that are kind of multi-part or multi-bend. I was doing some experimentation there, kind of confirming that the line that I thought was the fastest was in fact the fastest. So now I'm going to go back and refine it a little bit more now that I know which lines seem to be the fastest for me. And we started working on that on day 2. right, and there was our day 2 fastest lap. The ambient temperatures were lower than they were, at least in the morning, about 5 to 7 degrees, so that helped a little bit. And the wind had died down, and that definitely helped. The car ran much cooler. I was able to charge for the entire session. Unfortunately, I did run into traffic, and so as you just saw, my best lap could have been a little bit faster. I had many green segments up until about 3/4 of the way through that lap when I caught up to traffic. But that's okay. Again, we collected some more data points. We had a good time. It was a successful weekend overall. Thanks for watching. Here's some bonus footage for you.